Oh, hello everyone, and today is another episode of the planing tournament. This is the last episode in the first round. This is the big planing tournament with all the planes. So, much to both of our convenience, I created the matches before the video, so it's Tier versus Tiny Tim. Tier's dead. Tiny Tim! So Tiny Tim wins. Okay, so now we have Thunderbird versus Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. There we go. Pretty good. Oh, tricky. Tricky.
Go get a cup of water from outside.
So I was just saying tricky trick. So this is tricky trick.
Isaac, this is gonna be your right.
I'm sorry, but next time, we'll have to do it tomorrow because it's getting dark out. Ultimatum. Ultimatum is the winner. That's probably worse than he does.
Let's go.
So now we have Weird versus the White Tiger. So we have the White Tiger. Okay, now let's do Weird. Yeah. So the winner is the White Tiger. I like whispering that because it's weird. Okay. So the witch, by the way, this is gonna be a 3-match. The top 2 move on. So Zelda Thunderbird first. Oh, that's actually pretty good compared to the witch. Oh, the witch is the winner. It's pretty safe to say the WRPA is gonna win. Oh, that was completely terrible for the world.
I'll be right back.
That was bad for the world record. He still won, but that could cost him something. So the witch.
You want you going?
Actually, no, the top 1. So let me just throw world record again to see if he's actually working good. Oh no! What is wrong with him? Oh, now he works! Right when I throw him in that kitchen. Okay, let's see, does he work? Yes, he does! Kind of. So, record. So, tomorrow's matches will be 100,000 for 5 versus Bad Guy, Big Bird versus Battleship, Bombardo versus Blue Angel, Crystal versus Creeper, Demon versus Dragon Secret, Flying Ace versus Flying A+, Hypernova versus Great White, Mr. Blast versus Ikakuk, on Slibhead versus Octagon, Record versus Raptor, Skyscraper versus Saturn Rocket, Slice versus SS Explorer, Thunderbolt against Tiny Tim, Ultimato against the White Tiger, and then the world record. Sorry to move down by itself. I'm sorry that I'm rubbing my ass so much. I will come back tomorrow with more Racing Madness. Goodbye.